Moving into a new home should be exciting, not overwhelming. We understand the challenges that come with this transition and have partnered with Fixle to make it easy. As part of your home inspection, I'll scan the data plates of the major appliances in the home you're looking to buy, unlocking a world of valuable information instantly. From model and serial numbers to manuals and alerts for potential recalls, we've got it all covered. But it doesn't end there. After your inspection, you'll receive a comprehensive Fixle home report, great information to use during your purchasing decision. And later, your go-to guide, detailing everything you need to know about the major appliances in your new home. What's more, live links to critical resources like warranty information and owner's manuals are just a click away. And here's the game changer, the Fixle app. It's on the house. Download it and effortlessly keep track of all the systems in your home. Buying new appliances? Scan their data plates and quickly add them to your Fixle home account. Fridge acting up? No sweat. With Fixle, you've got all the details to connect with the right expert, ensuring the job is done right the first time. But guess what? The information doesn't stop there. Fixle keeps you in the loop with potential recalls and recommended maintenance practices specific to your home's systems. Stay safe by staying informed. Take the first step towards a stress-free home transition. Call to schedule your inspection today. With Fixle, you'll spend more time enjoying your new home and less time worried about it.